Hello YouTubers, welcome to another toy review from Blue Collection. Today I'm going to show you the stackable box from Skylanders Giants and the Skylanders Swap Force. Comes with Mega Ram Spyro, Blizzard Chill, and Zulu. They measure about 3 inches tall. Now let's check out the stackable box. In this storage case, you can store up to 20 Skylanders Giants. But since I don't have that many Skylanders to show you, how about we try some monster trucks from Mattel? After all, I have quite a few. As you can see, this storage case is perfect to store all your monster trucks from the cartoon short Monster Trucknator.